Do you second-guess your choices or worry about making the wrong decision? You're not alone. In today's fast-paced world, decision fatigue is real, but the good news is you can learn to make better decisions and trust yourself in the process. In this video, we'll explore practical steps to strengthen your decision-making and deepen your self-trust. Welcome to Path to You. The first step to better decision-making is self-awareness. Are your choices based on fear, pressure, or alignment with your values? When you understand your motivations, you gain clarity and confidence. Ask yourself, is this choice aligned with who I want to become? We often rush decisions out of anxiety or urgency, but clarity lives in stillness. When you slow down even briefly, you give your mind space to reflect and choose more wisely. Take a short pause or walk before making important decisions. Your intuition is a quiet but powerful guide. It's the part of you that already knows what's right before logic kicks in. Learn to listen to that inner voice, especially when it speaks through calm conviction, not fear. Pay attention to how a decision feels in your body, tight and heavy, or light and peaceful. No one makes perfect decisions every time, and that's okay. Every choice, whether right or wrong, helps you grow. Self-trust comes from knowing you can handle the outcome, whatever it is. Reflect on what each decision taught you, even the difficult ones. Self-trust isn't built overnight. It grows through consistency. When you keep small promises to yourself, like showing up on time or finishing what you started, you teach yourself that your word matters. Start with one small commitment today and follow through. Better decisions begin with inner clarity, and trusting yourself is a skill you can build. With reflection, patience, and practice, you'll learn to choose what's right for you and walk your path with confidence. If this video resonated with you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Share in the comments what helps you make confident decisions.